Hi, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube video. In this video, we're going to unbox. This is a MacBook Air, newest edition. This is the 5th edition with the M1 chip, I believe. It doesn't say M1 on it. It's 256, 5th generation Wi-Fi, and we're just gonna open it and show you guys what is inside. Look at that cool opening of the saran wrap. Even Apple have engineered their own way of opening saran wrap. That's pretty cool. Okay, Apple always does this crazy tight box. I don't know how many times I watch people dropping their phone, their iPad, etc. by opening this crazy tight box. I guess they haven't re-engineered this part. Okay. Successfully remove. Okay. Alright, so we got the iPad itself. This is the Yep, supposed to unwrap it like that. Okay, let's let that boot up. Turn it on. Put that aside and let's go through the content of the box first. What's in there?
Instruction manual.
Okay, we have Apple sticker, so you can show off. This is the 2-page tips, warning stuff. What is that, a USB-C charging cable? And that's it. There's something, it feels thick here, but this is just a filler. There's really nothing else in here. And then we have a USB-C charger. And it's 20 watts USB-C charger. Okay, and I think that's it. There's nothing else in here. Yep, that's it. Go ahead and turn it on. I think you have to press it for longer on that power button. Alright, that was pretty fast. It was only about 6 seconds for it to turn on. Okay, going through the setup process right now. What you doing? United States was the first one. Bring your current iPad near this iPad to set up. So we are going to go through the setup, transferring from our previous iPad, but we're not going to do that right now on this video, at least. So we're going to terminate this video right now. hope you find this useful. I know this is just a short video just to show you guys the content. And let me take this opportunity to show you how beautiful the new iPad is. This is the rose gold, I think. And yeah, it's nice and thin. This is the MacBook Air. I mean, not MacBook Air, iPad Air. And so it's pretty light, probably about a pound. Yep. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comment, please put it in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks again. And if you like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.